How to fix Canon printer error code 5B00. First, turn the printer off. Press the power button, wait for the printer to shut down completely, and unplug the power cable for 1 minute. Step 2. Understand the cause. The waste ink absorber is a set of sponges inside the printer that collect excess ink during cleaning cycles. Error 5B00 appears when the printer's internal counter determines the absorber is full. Step 3. Try a basic reset. Turn the printer off, hold stop or reset, and while holding stop or reset, press and hold power. Release stop and reset while continuing to hold power, and then press stop or reset several times. The exact number varies by model, and then release the power. Many Canon models enter service mode using a variation of this procedure. Step 4. Clean or replace the waste ink pads. Disconnect the power, access the waste ink pads, carefully remove and clean them or replace them, and allow cleaned pads to dry completely before reinstalling. Resetting the counter without addressing saturated pads can eventually cause ink leakage. Step 5. Reset the waste ink counter. After entering service mode, some models require a Canon-compatible service tool to clear the waste ink counter. The exact procedure depends on the printer model. Step 6. Restart and test print. Turn the printer back on, print a nozzle check or test page, and confirm that the error has disappeared. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.